All right, in this video, we're dividing these two polynomials. So I'm going to start out by writing the divisor x minus 2 down. And then under the division symbol, I'm going to put x to the third plus 0x squared plus 0x minus 8. So I've added these two dummy terms, 0x squared and 0x, to help us as we do the division process. All right, so let's begin by saying x to the third divided by x gives us a result of x squared. So x squared is the first part of my quotient. So I'll put my x squared up here, and I'll go ahead and distribute it into the rest of the divisor. So x squared times x, of course, gives you x to the third, and then x squared times negative 2 will give you minus 2x squared. Now we draw our line and change our signs so that the x to the third and the negative x to the third cancel out, and we're left with 2x squared. Carry down your 0x now, and carry down your negative 8. All right, so since the degree of this polynomial is greater than the degree of our divisor, we must go ahead and continue the process. Okay, to continue the process, we're going to put the 2x squared over the x, and we'll end up getting the result just 2x, because the x and the x squared will cancel out, just leaving 2x. So 2x is our next piece of the quotient. We'll distribute that into the divisor. We'll get 2x times x, which gives you 2x squared, and then 2x times negative 2, which is going to give you negative 4x. We draw our line and change our signs, and we end up having the positive 2x squared cancel out with the negative 2x squared, and we'll have 4x carry down the negative 8. And so we have 4x minus 8. All right, so we just need one more round of division to finish this problem. We'll take the 4x and divide it by the x again. And what we'll end up with is just 4. So plus 4 is the last piece of our quotient. So we'll have 4 times x, which will give you, of course, 4x. And then we'll end up with 4 times negative 2, which gives you negative 8. If we draw our line and change our signs in this case, both terms will cancel out, leaving a 0 remainder. So our final answer, the quotient here, is just x squared plus 2x plus 4.